Hello, here's Tina. Today we will teach you how to do flat embroidery. Flat embroidery is different from cap and garment embroidery. We need to pay attention to its installation method and work area. This area is the same as machine work area. It is determined by the machine model. Today we will use Vision V22 with 400 times 500 millimeters, so its flat embroidery area is the same, 400 times 500 millimeters. We need to prepare the following tools: Allen wrench, tape measure, clips, scissors, backing paper, fabric, aluminum frame, support bar, and a table. First, we need to cut a piece of short bar size backing paper. The aluminum frame size is 550 millimeters times 450 millimeters, which is 50 millimeters larger than the machine work area. Next, we need to hoop the fabric. First, put the aluminum frame on the table, then put the backing paper on top of it. Next, put the fabric on top of backing paper. Take out the clips. When install the clips, remember to pay attention to the direction of the clips. If it is not in right direction, it will be very difficult to take them off. It is important to know that the length and the number of the clips are different for different sizes of aluminum frame. Today we were using Vision V22, which matches 6 short clips and 2 long clips. Then we start to install the clips. We need to install 2 long clips at top and bottom of the frame, remember, close to the edge. If not, it will not have enough space for other clips. After installing 2 long clips, install 2 short clips beside them. On the left side of the frame, and install 2 short clips. Another 2 short clips on the right of the frame. In the process of installation, must pay attention to the fabric being flat, do not appear wrinkled. There are many ways to hoop the fabric. You can choose the suitable way for you. After hooping the fabric and the backing paper to the aluminum frame, we need to install the table. There are 2 ways to install the table. One is through the support bar on the stand and red clips on the table. The other way is through the red clips on the table and the separate support bar that comes with the machine. First, we will show you the first way. We need to adjust the position of the support bar on the stand. Loose 2 screws and take off the inside one. Raise the support bar to the top position and use the first screw to fix it at the up location. Then tighten both screws. On the left side, the same operation as the right side. After adjusting the support bar position, the next step is to place the table onto the machine. Before installing the table, open the 2 red clips. Then find the 4 screws on the table. Taking off the 2 upper screws. Then put the table onto the machine's connecting base and the support bar. Then tighten the screws being taken off before under the table. This is the first way to install the table. Then we will show you a second way. We need to use the table and the support bar. Open the two clips. Put the table onto the machine's connecting base. Connect the support bar and the table. Fix two clips. We can adjust the height of the table by turning the knob clockwise to reduce the height, counterclockwise to increase the height, until you find the right height, which means the head of the table and the shuttle bed are in the same line position. Above are two ways of installation of our table. If you have a better way, you can leave us a message. We will listen carefully to every suggestion. After installing the table, we need to install the aluminum frame with fabric onto the machine. First, we need to loosen 3 screws on the aluminum frame. Push aluminum frame inside. The first screw is in the first hole. The second screw is in the 8th hole. And the third screw is in the last hole. Then tighten the 3 screws. So that we can connect the aluminum frame with the machine successfully. After the aluminum frame connecting to the machine, next to import pattern. Here's the tip. Only DST and DSP file are available on our machine. The storage space of the U-disk should be less than 64 GB, and our machine has 200 designs or 20 million stitches memory, so you need to pay attention to the pattern format, U-disk memory, and design memory. Insert U-disk to import the pattern. Enter the pattern management page and click the input pattern icon. Choose the pattern you want to embroider. Click import. Click cancel to be back to pattern management page. Select the pattern, just import it. And click save. If design number is used appears when selecting, we need to return to the main interface. Click EMB confirm to accept the last embroidery mode, and then enter the new embroidery mode again. Then select the pattern. After selecting the pattern, next step is to selecting the color for the pattern. It can be the same as the design in your software. For example, this one. The first one is black, second one is red, third one is white. When we choose the first color, we need to observe the black thread is located. It is in needle 6. We can click color. For first color, we click needle 6. For the second color is red. We observe the red is in needle 2. The The third one is white. White is in needle 5. Then 3 colors is selected done. Click Save. OK. After selecting the color, next step is to choose a frame. We need to choose a frame in the machine that corresponds to the aluminum frame. F is the correct one. After we click F, it will show Please uninstall the cab driver. This pop is to inform us if the cab driver is removed. If it is not removed, it will cause the cab driver hits the machine. Because we already removed the cab driver, so just click OK to confirm. After selecting the pattern, you will find the design is out of the frame. We need to move the direction pattern to make it the frame inside. If you want the position more accurate, after click Normal Trace, you can click Outline Trace. Click OK. Outline Trace is very slow, only used when the pattern is close to the frame. Normally, we use Normal Trace. Check it a few times to make the position is in the frame and in the position you want. After we click Normal Trace and click OK, there is a case, it shows no near. Here is 0, 0. Click Cancel. Click Cancel again. Then we need to turn the color change mode to hand wheel slowly until the number shows any exact 0. It means in needle position. Then we click and click OK. After positioning, we need to check whether the thread bar is raised, which can make the thread pass through more smoothly, and whether the thread is correctly threaded, which can reduce thread breaking. Make sure the thread is around 1 circle on the detection wheels. If not, it will show a false alarm of unbroken thread. Remember to check the bobbin is installed correctly. You can pull thread through pigtail to see whether the thread falls down vertically, not tangled other parts. Finally, we need to check if we got correct tension. Tension will influence the final embodied effect. We will offer you a tension adjustment video to teach you how to adjust the tension wheel. After confirming prepare work, let's get started. Click Ready and click OK. Don't forget to press the Start button. Good embroidery work has a lot to do with design, tension, operation, etc. In the future, we will teach you how to use it one by one. If you want to use a machine wear or improve your skills further, you can follow us. We will actively listen to the voice of customers and make the best improvement. Thank you for watching. See you next time.